Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about this look. I kind of got this look from Jennie of Blackpink. It's my own version of that makeup. So if you guys want to know how I did this, then keep watching. So I already did my face makeup, which means foundation, concealer, powder, blush, bronzer, and stuff like that. So we'll head on to my eyes. Hey guys, what's up? So today's palette is going to be Kylie Jenner's Sipping Pretty palette, and I'm just grabbing a brush for my transition color, which is the shade Pregame. So you just want like a very light brownish, if you want nude one, to be your transition color for this one. And I'm just putting it all over my lid, like how a transition should be, girl. Yes, so just making sure that I have everything, and if you don't have this palette, that's totally fine. Just grab something similar color to it. Just drinking my coffee because, you know. And then next is the shade Party Animal from the same palette. Honestly, I think that this shade isn't pigmented as the other shades on this palette. I'm kind of disappointed on that one, but I'll make it work. So I'm just packing on the color instead of swiping it because, like I've said, it's not really pigmented, but it's fine. I'll make it work, you know, because I am a working girl. Yeah, so just packing it, and then the next shade is from my BH Cosmetic limited, I think it's a limited edition. It's the Party Girl palette, and it's a kind of a light blue shadow and has shimmer on it. It's not matte, as you can see. And now I'm just blending it with a clean blending brush in a swiping motion, like a windshield, or yeah, like you're cleaning a windshield or whatever. Yeah, so I just mixed those two, and now I'm just blending the edges. And next is the Givenchy blue liner. So since the eyeshadow is pretty light, it's not as blue as I wanted it to be. So I'm using my blue liner from Givenchy and just lining it up to darken it a little bit. I kind of warmed it up on the back of my hand before using it on my eyelid, just to make sure that it's creamy and stuff, because I haven't used this in quite a while, I would say. So yeah, basically that's the final top lid look. And now I'm just using the shade from the BH palette underneath my eyes. I'm using that because I want it to be a little bit lighter than the top part, so I don't know, so my eyes would pop a little bit than light. Yeah, so making things even, just doing that. But basically this is pretty much the eyeshadow look. Very simple. And then next is I'm just gonna be putting on some highlight on my inner corners of my eyes. That one I forgot to record, but it's from my BH Cosmetic as well. It's kind of like a white gold-ish shimmer color. It's not really full glitter, but just like I've said, shimmer. Just, you know, yeah, like that. And then next is my eyelashes. So I'm not gonna be using falsies on this one, but if you want to put falsies, I feel like it would be better, but I just prefer not to. So I'm just gonna be using mascara and just coat my lashes from the very root to the tip of my lashes, making sure that it's coated, because yeah. And And also going to put on my lower lashes. But yeah. So I don't really like the feeling of falsies on my eyes. I feel like it's really heavy, so I prefer not to use one. But a lot of people use falsies, and I think it would look nice if you put one. And just to finish this off, I am gonna be using the Buxom pinkish nude lip gloss. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Thank you. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below, and don't forget that you are loved and you are not alone. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.